Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show the best hairstyle. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to talk about something that has created humans for centuries. Long hair, whether it flowing down your back, styled in an endo and braided with intricate details. Long hair is a timeless symbol of beauty and elegance. One of the most remarkable things about long hair is its versatility. Can be styled in countless ways, from sleek and straight, it bonnets, curls, and everything in between. Whether you are going to for a classic look or something more edgy and avant-garde, long hair provide as a canvas for endless creativity. Long hair has held culture significance in many society throughout history. In some culture, long hair is a symbol of beauty, strength, and femininity. In other, it's a sign of spiritual devotion and social status. Regardless of the culture contents, long hair has always been a powerful form of expression. Styling long hair can be a true art from braids and buns of pantaloons and loose waves. The possibilities are endless. Long hair allows you experiment with different looks and styles, make it a fun and create outlet of self-expression. Of course, maintaining long hair requires some extra care and attention. Here are few tips to keep your looks look the best. Long hair can be prone to dryness, breakage, so essential to use gentle and nourishing products. Excessive has great styling or damage long hair. Damage to limit your use of heat tools. Use a heat protect. Regular trims can help prevent split and breakage, keeping your long hair healthy and strong. In conclusion, long hair is a beautiful and versatile aspect of our appearance. Whether you are a fan of flowing looks in intricate braids, long hair offers endless possibilities for self-expression and creativity. So, if have long hair, embrace its beauty and have a fun of styling. Long hair is a beautiful can prone to dryness package, so essential